around the ICC indicates the road forward in order to save mankind and possibly the world from this species and extinction. Anyone, therefore, who is inspired by the process that produced the ICC system of justice will, I'm sure, willingly cooperate in a movement to achieve the abolition of nuclear weapons. For the greatest threat of our time is the use of nuclear weapons, particularly by states, individuals, or rogue elements that do not care even about their own lives. It is therefore a matter of great encouragement that the United Nations is involved in promoting awareness of the system of justice represented by the ICC, but not the ICC alone, because in our vision of a court system, which normally is associated with the finding of guilt or innocence, those of us who were involved in conceptualizing the system of justice came to the view that justice could not be achieved within the narrow confines of guilt and innocence, but rather the victims of crimes should be considered. And so the statute that provides for the court also provides for a fund for the relief of victims of international crimes. There is a board which administers the fund. And when I thought that I had ended my career in international affairs, I had been invited to sit on that board. And that is how I came to be in the Netherlands, representing the Caribbean and Latin America, with others representing major geographical systems of the world. And I must say, how amazed I was at the work being done by those who administer the fund, which provides for the relief of hundreds of thousands of people, men and women and children, particularly women and children. I know of no other movement which has focused so much on the welfare of women and children as a fund for relief provided by the statute of the ICC. And that is one reason why I made the effort to travel to the Netherlands. For your information, I am 83 years old. I cannot read. I can hardly hear. I find great difficulty to walk. But one thing I know that I enjoy is a company of individuals such as members of this panel, my colleagues, and you who are present on this occasion and have made use of your time to hear the story. In a very truncated form, one would have much preferred to hear about the effort of many individual, visionary individuals, brilliant, excessively gifted individuals involved in the process. But this could not be compacted in the time available to us. What I can do is to give thanks to all of those who have been involved in the process for the effort, sometimes of great sacrifice, that they have made. And wish them the joy of the knowledge that it is all not for self, but in the cause of humanity. So let my message be in the cause of humanity. I thank you, Mr. Chairman.